Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change server in War Machines. To change the server in War Machines, go ahead and open up the War Machines application on your device. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you will be able to see the server button. Tap on it and then select the server or region you want to play on from the list of available servers. After you do that, the game will switch to the selected server easily. Changing servers may affect your matchmaking and the players you encounter. Your progress and inventory are usually linked to your account, so it may remain the same across servers, but always double check in case there are any region-specific restrictions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.